Hello students and parents, welcome you all to the beautiful world of physics. I am Professor P.N. Roy from TruePhysics, New Delhi. Today I am going to tell you how to prepare physics for better result, better score and higher rank. Physics is a beautiful subject to study. Unfortunately, most students at school level and new learners at coaching find physics very difficult. Now the question is physics all that tough? Is physics all that tough? And how to learn physics for better score and higher rank? If I have to answer this question, is physics all that tough? Then my frank and honest answer is no. Physics is not at all tough. In fact, it's a very simple subject to learn. It's a very easy subject to learn. Physics has very few ideas, concepts, rudiments. You need to learn those concepts, those basic rudiments and apply to different situations. That way, it is very close to our life, our everyday life, and so it is very easy to understand. Now the question is, why children, why students at school find it very tough? The reason is very simple, and the reason is that it is presented in a manner which is not appropriate. So the fault lies mostly with the teachers at schools and in the coaching institutions. They teach physics not in the way it should be taught. Second, partially students are also to blame. What is their fault? They continue to use the same age-old method of rote learning that they have been doing. So what to do? Change your method, change the way you learn, and teachers must change the way they present the subject to students. What change? We have to understand that physics is a basic subject and it cannot be learned by using the same method that we have been using to learn other subjects. That method is that of rote learning. We have to approach physics in a very different manner. What is that? We have to start learning physics from first principle method. What is first principle method? First principle method is focus on the concepts, focus on the basics, start from scratch, and after you have mastered the basics, go to solving numericals. No numerical stuff. No numerical stuff. Once you have understood the concept, if you have really understood the concepts well, then solving numerical can be fun. It is a real fun. You have to attempt it in a proper manner. What's my advice? My advice is, don't read words, don't read lines, don't read paragraphs. Just don't read pages. Look for the central idea, the basic concept. Try to relate to the central idea, the basic concept. Once you are sure that you have learned the concept, get back to problem solving. When you are going to solve numericals, when you are going to solve problems, make sure that you are not reading through the solved examples or solutions. That is not at all helpful. You have to pick a question, pick a numerical, attempt on your own, try your level best, solve it. Solve it. If you have difficulty solving it, try again. If you still fail, get back to the relevant concept. Revise the concept again. If you have difficulty understanding the concept, seek help or revise again. Then get back to solving numericals. That's my advice. Now I will come to relevance of formula and derivation. Often in school, often in coaching classes, a lot of emphasis is given on derivations and on the formula. Let me tell you, let me be very honest with you. Derivation is important, learning formula is important, but rote learning will not work. For derivation, it will not work for formula also. What is the way out? You have to again get the derivation, get the formula by using first principle method. That is, starting from scratch, you have to yourself obtain the formula. Next, knowing formula is important, but knowing the fallibility of the formula is also important. What is that? We take a formula. Say, we take the formula of time of flight. The formula for time of flight is applicable in certain specific situation, but the same formula fails in some other situation. So we have to learn the fallibility of the formula also. If we don't understand the fallibility of the formula, the same formula which should be helping us get the right option will help us get the wrong option. That way, it punishes us. Knowing the wrong formula or not knowing the fallibility of the formula can be very a problem, a big problem for us. So be careful, learn the formula and also learn the fallibility of the formula. Next comes what to learn, where to learn from. It is best to start from basic textbooks like NCERT or H.C. Verma, Concepts of Physics, or Fundamentals of Physics by Resnick Halliday. Go to the pages, go to the basic concept, read few pages, but make sure that you understand the central idea and try to make your own shortcuts. Don't depend on shortcuts. Don't depend on the cheap notes that are readily available in the market. You have to learn from the text. You have to master the concepts. You have to solve the numericals on your own. And once you have done it, once you are checked into the rhythm, everything becomes very easy. So, to give you a recap, let me tell you. First, physics is not all that tough. Second, you have to focus on the basic rudimentary concepts and avoid using rote learning method. Third, start from scratch. Use first principle method. Get the derivation by first principle method. Get the formula from the first principle method. Understand the fallibility of the formula. Work out the numericals only when you have understood the concept well. Going through the detailed solutions, solve examples does not help. Working it out on your own is useful. And refer to the standard textbooks, NCERT, H.C. Verma, Resnick Halliday, etc. I hope you understand. I hope if you use my suggestions, if you follow my words, you are going to learn physics in a better way. You are going to enjoy physics. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best. Thank you.